Did somebody say ramen? Yes, this ramen's 45 years old. Congratulations! We're gonna take this ramen and we're gonna turn it into something wild. We're making ramen French toast. It's true. Grab a bowl. 2 eggs. Half a cup of milk. 1/4 cup of maple syrup.
Oh, Jimmy, I love a good squeeze.
Teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a good whisk. Pour in a baking dish. Carefully separate ramen into 2 pieces. Place in the goo. Turn to coat both sides. I'm gonna let it sit in the goo for 30 minutes, turning halfway. Time to melt some butter in a skillet. Let's start cooking that ramen. About 3 minutes per side. Flip. Flip. Cut in half and add more maple syrup. Ramen French toast? What will they think of next? It's good. Give it a try. Why can't you hear a pterodactyl go to the bathroom? Because the P is silent.